Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide sound page from system settings on Windows 11 computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Before hide sound page in system settings, I want to show you the sound page. Right click on start menu, click on settings, click on system on left pane. Look, sound page is showing here. You can open and configure the sound page settings. Now I am going to hide this sound page from system settings. Close settings, insert, type GP edit, click on edit group policy. In local group policy editor, under computer configuration, click on administrative template and expand it. Now click on control panel. Here you will find a settings page visibility, and now it's not configured. Right click on it and click on edit. Click on enable, and under settings page visibility type hide clone sound. Now click on apply and then click on OK. Now look, the policy setting is enabled. To make the changes immediately effective, just you need to update the group policy. To update group policy, right click on start menu, click on run. In run, type gp update/force. Now click on OK. Updating the policy. Group policy has been updated. Now I am going to check. Right click on start menu and click on settings. Click on systems on left pane. Now look, sound page is not showing in system settings. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.